Hello everyone, in this video, we will be making Unity logo in Python Turtle library. So first of all, we have imported Turtle library. Next, we will specify the starting angle which is 90° and in anti-clockwise direction. Then we have created inner triangle. First we have typed turtle.begin fill. Then we have created a for loop for I in range 3. Turtle will cover distance equal to 30 and change its angle to 120° and then end fill. So basically this is the inner triangle. Now to create these arrows, we have created a function named arrow, and then first we have created left side of the arrow. First we have typed turtle.begin fill. Turtle will cover distance equal to 108 and change its angle to 140°. So turtle has covered distance equal to 108, change its angle to 140°, then cover distance equal to 103 and change its angle to 140° and in clockwise direction. So turtle has covered distance equal to 103, change its angle to 140° in clockwise direction, then again cover distance equal to 37.5. So turtle has covered distance equal to 37.5, change its angle to 40°, then again cover distance equal to 127 and change its angle to 100. So turtle has covered distance equal to 127. Now for the right side of the arrow, turtle will again cover distance equal to 127, change its angle to 40°, then again cover distance equal to 37.5 and change its angle to 140°. Turtle has covered distance equal to 37.5, change its angle to 140°, then again cover distance equal to 103 and change its angle to 139.5 and in anti-clockwise direction because it is left. Turtle.left. Turtle.right means angle in clockwise direction and turtle.left means angle in anti-clockwise direction. Turtle will cover distance equal to 103. Then change its angle to 139.5°. Then again cover distance equal to 108 and then end fill. Turtle has covered distance equal to 108. So now we have write turtle.right angle in clockwise direction of 29° and turtle will cover distance equal to 30 and again we have specified the angle. So now see here, let me erase the ink. So after creating this arrow, turtle position is this and we want the turtle to go to that position. So first turtle will change its angle to 29°, then cover distance equal to 30, which is the length of this inner triangle. So turtle has cover distance equal to 30, change its angle to 30° in clockwise direction. So turtle will be at this position. Then in the end we have write turtle dot left angle in anti-clockwise direction of 90°. So as you can see clearly that there are three arrows. So for making this we have created a for loop for j in range 3 and in this for loop we have called this arrow function to draw the arrow. In the end we have write turtle.done to pause the screen when the application will run. Now simply I will execute this code. So I hope you like this video. If you have any queries regarding this code, do let me know in the comment section and thank you for watching this video.